Hi there and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe. Presented in Snapper Ox Blue, and alongside that we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car and enhanced it even further by adding these 19-inch 704M Shadow Edition alloy wheels that have just been freshly refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. You'll see behind those alloys the M Sport Plus brakes. That is this car being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package all the way around. At the front you'll be able to see the car is a 2017 plate, so it also is enhanced even further by being a facelift model. Down the side, as well as those eye-catching alloys, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars. The Snapper Ox Blue is an exceedingly eye-catching colour and works extremely well with all of the additions we've made here, along with the sun protection glazing you can see there on the rear windows. It is an exceptionally clean and tidy car all the way through, inside and out, and you'll see that as we make our way around. Another optional extra for this car is the comfort access, so I can walk up to the car. I've not got any of the keys in my hand, I've simply got it in my pocket, and as you can see there, the car will open up for me. Very useful should you have your hands full. Interior wise, we've got the black Dakota leather M highlight seats with both the electric movement and memory, and there you can see those lovely M highlights and blue stitching throughout, alongside the heated front seats as well. You'll also see there we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, and the rear seat configuration for the 4 Series. Again, we've got the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest and darkened M Sport headlining, of course. We've also got that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And making our way towards the rear of the car, again showing you the freshly refurbished 19-inch wheels. And again, another addition made for the facelift was these very nice sharpened LED rear lights. We also added gloss black rear diffuser and a matching rear boot spoiler. Opening up that boot space there, you can see just how large that really is, alongside split folding seats. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera on this car, which I'm going to shortly show you when I step inside the vehicle in just a second. Again, the Snapper Ox Blue is often a difficult colour to try and emphasise in the videos and pictures. However, I'm sure should you choose to come and view the car, you will be just as blown away as we always are with this, how well this colour turns out. And moving on inside the car shortly to, of course, just show you a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Of course, starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. We've also got power folding mirrors for the car, and there you can see that lovely widescreen in action. Currently there on the screen is the DAB and media list, and we'll go through that just now. So in terms of multimedia, you get music collection, USB and AUX, and of course Bluetooth audio inputs. However, that's not the only connectivity in this car. It's also been equipped with Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. So again, really useful feature if you're an Apple user out there. We've got satellite navigation, of course, again one of the most user-friendly systems on the market. Also uses real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. Heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements and service history for this 4 Series in just a second. If we go down here into service requirements, you'll see there that the next service is not due for 9,000 miles time, and we've got full BMW service history once again, as this vehicle's only covered just over 27,000 miles, so a nice low mileage example. Did mention, of course, that rear facing reversing camera, always a really sought after option and a very useful one as well. Popping the car back into park just to stop it beeping away at us. So hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video of the very high spec 420D M Sport Coupe presented in Snapper Ox Blue. If you do want any further information, remember, if you take a look into the description, you'll see a link that will take you through to our website where you can view funding options and prices for this very nice 4 Series. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.